Open, yeah, the parrot is very
Wow, look at this parrot, so beautiful. Congrats, what? Wow, look at here. This one is really beautiful. Thank you. Wow, look at, do you love this? Thank you, that boy. Okay, oh yes, we make this parrot into our jewelries. Okay, so we will get another one. Okay, this one is a grandma. Oh, the grandma is really hardworking.
So big.
Oh, look at this big one. Yes, everyone, you have the chance to be our moderator. So please type something, make me remember you. That boy, thank you for Rose, honey. So let's check this baroque. What's the size of this baroque one? Wow, look at here. This one is really beautiful. Thank you. Wow, look at, do you love this pearl? This pearl is really beautiful. Wow, this cluster is really perfect one. This one is really perfect one. Okay, congratulations, you got this beautiful one. We will check other side. Okay, this baroque. This you will see. Look at this baroque one. This was so gorgeous. Oh, thank you. It's tree high.
Whoa, thank you for your rose, baby. Wow, this is the bark parrot.
How can I buy in our bio, honey? Please check our bio. 你把那个父子那个不断的父子我们。Cash, thank you, Cash. Okay, so we got another. Thank you, Tarot. Thank you, Tarot. Wow, look at here. Wow, this one is gorgeous. Do you love this one? This one is very beautiful. Okay, this is yours right now. Congratulations, you got so many pearls. All of this are freshwater pearl. Are they died? Yes, they died already. They all died already. So, okay, I will make you some to be our moderator. So, thank you to be our moderator.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Yes. Whoa. Open, yeah, the parrot is very
Wow, look at this pearl, so beautiful. Congrats. Thank you, Ruma. Thank you so much. Okay, this is yours right now. Congratulations. And who is the next one? The next one is